Just completed the 2013 Toyota 4Runner Retrofit. This is with the Lexus by Xenon RX 350 projectors, upgraded with the clear STIR lenses. It's actually got a black passive demon eye, black shield painted. Subtle, but it's there. We'll throw in the headlights for you guys. Let them warm up. Nice sharp cutoff. Very factory look. These are being powered by the Morimoto single xenon harness and Denso ballasts, as well as the OEM Osram bulbs. And those are the factory fog lights with the yellow film over them. If you guys have any questions, please email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Thanks for watching.